Hey people, so as you all know, ever since the lockdown has begun, I've been making these audio messages, or in some cases, a video message to thank the many different people who, I don't know, yeah, left an impact on my mind. So I've decided to go back to from my early childhood. Like had this, I had this classmate, Aparna Rao, and her mom, we knew her as Shashi auntie, and in fact she's actually Dr. Shashi Rao thing. So it's, I remember seeing her from the time I was 7 years old. And you know how it is when you are seven, right? You look at these didis or aunties, and you almost like I mean, kind of hero worship them, or so. I mean, my memories of Shashi auntie have been that she's all like, some people, no matter what the situation, yeah, they always have a smile, and she's always had like such a like sweet way of speaking, like it's, oh my god, see, I mean, my interaction with her won't have been more than I don't know. It's just those few minutes before, like when she's come to pick up her daughter, and it's like, "Hello, auntie, how are you?" That, and when you're 7 years old, so it's even more. How much of conversation can you make with a 7-year-old? Yeah, I mean, it's thing, but still, till date, I'm in my. It's been it's been 30 years. No, I mean, pretty much. But that's the kind of impact some people have on you. So Shashi auntie, in case you when you watch this video, I want to say that thank you, auntie. I mean, it's just after meeting Shashi auntie, I've realized that one really needn't speak or say too much. You can just make an impression on someone just by being the soothing presence, just by having this cute smile and this very adorable way of speaking. So, so truly, auntie, I mean, I felt I should make this video because it's like there are special people in the world, and one really should take the time to acknowledge them. So Shashi auntie is a gynecologist, so she must be so busy, but truly, so that's why this is one of these crazy videos one makes, but I'm so happy I did it. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.